Coming up, she threatened to beat her entire family.
Talk about she wanna fight, talk about report, ass here, that she ready to fight, come off the porch. She pulled up with her babies, talk about some come off the porch, she ready to fight, so we're here to fight.
Assaulted her own sister right in front of a cop.
She gotta go. She just attacked me. She was slapping in my face. Yes, she was. Take me to jail. You was slapping in my face. Take me to jail. She just I'm not even on my neck. Pack in my phone. Pack in my phone. She was in my face laughing at me. She didn't go take me to jail.
Thinking she was above the law, you won't believe the excuses she makes when the handcuffs finally come out.
I just lost $350 today because this little.
He gets caught red-handed stealing from a store with cameras everywhere.
She didn't.
A 21-year-old mother's future was ruined in seconds after a fight over a babysitter turned violent. In a fit of rage, she allegedly snatched a blunt from her boyfriend's mouth and attacked him, even throwing a grill at his car as he tried to leave for work. When police arrived, her own confession sealed her fate. Watch the heartbreaking moment she's handcuffed while holding her crying baby, facing domestic violence charges that will change her life forever.
What's going on?
This young lady that's up in my house.
Is that, you got a pistol on you?
Yes, sir.
You got a permit?
Yes, sir. Sorry, CCW.
All right, go ahead. Let's not touch it.
I won't, sir.
Cool.
Do you want me to put it in the car?
If you don't mind.
I don't. Sir, this young lady, my baby mother, this morning she got frustrated that I was leaving to go to work.
Okay.
She threw the grill at my window. I just wanted to leave.
Okay.
8A.
You live here with her?
This is my house.
Yeah, but you live here with her?
No.
She stays here with you?
She stays sometimes.
You got children with her?
One child, yes.
So there's not going to be really any way for us to determine if she lives here or not. You guys have a domestic relationship, so it would be assumed that she does live here with you.
Okay.
So inside of these four walls, what is it? It's apartments?
Yes.
Inside of the four walls of the apartment, she has legal right to be. You got children in there with her now?
Yes.
Okay. I am not going to be able to tell her to leave.
Okay.
Because of the laws about domestic relationships, living in a home. Where else does she live?
With her mother.
And where's that at?
On Henry Street.
I can ask her if she would mind going over there.
No, if you can't make her,
but I can't force her.
She's not gonna voluntarily.
That's the only way that we can get her to leave is if she voluntarily leaves.
Okay.
Because of the domestic relationship.
Okay, because of the kids involved.
You got kids involved, and it would be assumed under any type of circumstance that if you two have kids involved, and she's here now, and you were here, and then this happened, that you guys are living together. What else happened today? Nothing?
That's it.
That's all you want to report on?
Nope.
Nothing else?
I don't.
Because there would be another route that we could go to get her removed from the home.
Yeah, but I have a child, and that's going to create. I think you understand what I'm trying to say.
I do, because I can see it. So, what happened?
She's crazy, sir.
Okay.
She's 21 years old, y'all. I tried to go to work this morning. She grabbed me by my hair, snatched me up. I tried to keep going down the stairs. She came out the stairs, snatched me up again. I released myself from her. I came outside, tried to get in my vehicle. That's when she threw the grill at my window.
So she followed you out here, picked up the grill that was somewhere over here.
It was sitting right here.
And then threw it at the car.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all, sirs. It's my baby mother. I really don't want her to have.
I understand that, but you've got visible injury. You've got scratches on your nose. You've got scratches on your lip. Your arm is all bruised. You've got red marks on your arm.
That's from work.
There are things that happened this morning that took place. You know what I'm saying? What's her name?
Autumn. See, like that's the thing. I don't want her to go to jail, man. I just want her to leave. I just don't want her to be here.
But that's the other side of this, though, is that when you two are in a domestic relationship and there is that scuffle that happens and there is a physical altercation that happens and the police are called, then there are things that cannot be undone. Okay? And it's not you saying that you want her to leave and you don't want to do anything. It's the police that are involved now. Okay? So there's certain circumstances that we cannot just be like, all right, well, if you're going to leave and go to work and she's going to stay here and have a day. Are you going to work?
I was trying to.
Okay.
He has to go in the door and up the stairs.
He said in the door and up the stairs. He's cool. He's gonna go talk to her real quick.
You mind if I step in?
Yeah, you're fine.
What's going on today?
Nothing really. It started yesterday.
What started?
I'm a hairstylist, so I do hair.
Okay.
I ended up getting off a little, I think an hour later, I told him I was going to get off. And he had my son. So I had to take my client's home in order to get a little extra money. And I didn't tell him that until I got here and talked to him. So he was more little. I guess he was mad that I didn't tell him what was going on. He sat here all night, and I'm going to bed. I put my son to sleep.
Whose house is this?
His.
Okay.
We talked about it yesterday, and I wasn't understanding why he was mad that I got off late, and you have my son, or what. I didn't understand what the problem was altogether. So we got into an argument. So he got his blunt in his mouth, so I snatched it out of his mouth. He got mad.
He got what?
A blunt. He had it in his mouth and he was trying to talk, so I snatched it out of his mouth and I'm like, stop doing this to me. I don't understand. Like, I'm all trying to. It's hard to work with this baby. I will do it, but it's hard. So that happens. I snatched it out of his mouth. He pushed me. So I'm like, I grabbed his hair and I'm like, why do you keep putting your hands on me? I didn't put my hands on you. Like, I'm just trying. We need to find a babysitter. So when that happened, he choked me out in the hallway.
Why would you snatch the blunt out of his mouth?
Because we're talking. And you're trying to walk away, you're trying to light this blunt in front of my face. We're not trying to find a babysitter. So that's why I snatched out. We need to figure this out. You're not going to keep walking away from me and my son. You're not. So, and when he got snatched out, he pushed me. So I grabbed him. Like, why do you keep putting your hand on me and think you're about to walk away? When I got this here, he choked me out. I went unconscious. I got back up and he was still standing there. So I grabbed him by his hair again. Stop putting your hands on me. I didn't even swing on you or nothing. Why do you feel the need to choke me out? He choked me out. I went unconscious, and I don't know how long I was laying after, but I didn't have nothing on though. I was naked in that hallway. So
Is this child with him?
This is my child.
With
He's
him?
trying to take it.
Is
Yes.
it your child with him?
Yes,
Okay.
that's why he called the police so he could take the baby.
This might be from my haircut. It's not okay.
I got haircuts too.
Okay.
They don't do it like that.
Okay.
You got one where your glasses hit down on you. You got a scrape right here. She hit you with her nails, man. They're nail marks. I can see it. I'm not. Look, man. This ain't my first day at this job. I know what to look for, and I know the signs of any type of domestic violence. That this is a. I know you don't want to, but this is something that if she set this in motion, she set this in motion. You know what I'm saying?
She definitely did.
I'm not here to judge you. I'm not here to be the person that's going to come here and say, look, do you want to live in a volatile situation where a woman is putting her hands on you for what? And it would be the exact same opposite if we were talking to her and the roles were reversed. Do you want to live in a volatile situation for a man to put his hands on you for what? How old are you?
I am 44.
44, and you said she's 21. There's a considerable age gap there. There are things that us as older people and younger people do not see eye to eye with for a lot of things. And sometimes that happens in relationships, and things happen in those relationships. And I get that you're trying to protect her, but for what? And I'm not a marriage counselor. I'm not, a boyfriend-girlfriend counselor or kids counselor, but I have gone through this enough where these types of situations lead to children who grow up to be young adults and then adults getting into that same type of business. And we don't want that, No. Be the example for your children. I hope that you are. These actions from her, that's not what we need,
I need a babysitter. That's all I'm trying to get under control. And now he's talking about he's still his wife and none of his kids like me. He called the city council and told the city council that he choked me out. I don't. So at this point, I don't care. If y'all tell me to get out, I will get out. But I'm not packing this by myself. He's going to stay here. Don't keep moving me and my son in here. And last time y'all was here, you let us stay. Since he pushed me into the grill and I threw the grill and he hit his car, he told me that he don't care about my son, and I have to get out. But I told him when I got up that you're going to stop choking me out, so I'm calling the police on you. And that's when he called the police himself and was going to try and flip me.
All right, I got to go upstairs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have you sit in the back of my car. She is being detained, and you are being detained for a domestic violence investigation, okay? I'm not putting you in handcuffs or anything like that. You've been real chill with me. But I have to go in there, and there's not anybody else that's coming here. So I'm going to put you in the back of the car real quick. I'll put the window down so you can cool. And then I'm going to run up there for 5 minutes and then be back down with you and get you out, okay? We'll walk over on the driver's side. All right, have a seat. Have you ever been arrested before?
No.
Petty stuff?
Very, very long time ago.
What was it for?
Trafficking drugs.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I got all that expunged.
That was all handled?
Yeah, I got all that expunged.
I got you. All right, give me a second.
How many lookers?
How are you?
Saying he choked her unconscious.
Okay. Can I take a look at your neck?
It really stung in the back. I don't know what happened.
Where did this happen?
In the hallway.
In the hall?
Hi. I put my son to sleep. He's been not talking to me till my son goes to sleep. My son went to sleep at like 11:40, and I come out here to try and get him to go to bed. We just bought that bed together. Why are you trying to sleep on the couch? And he's sitting here. What's wrong? Come to bed. And he tells me to sit down, and he complains about me not telling him about taking the little girls home, but we just talked. I just told you that their mom wasn't home, so I have to wait till she got home to drop them. I don't understand. I'm not understanding. What are you mad about? Like, what's your frustration? And it's because he didn't know when I had to do it. So we get into it. I tell her, like, I don't want to keep arguing with you about stupid stuff like this. Who argues about something like this? If I got home safely, that's all that matters. You have my location. I'm here. I made dinner. I still made dinner. So, like, what's going on?
Let them wrap this up here real quick. And Chris, did you put your hands on her at all? I'm not saying that you punched her or anything. I want to know the most amount of detail that you can tell me about when you touched her.
This is awful.
All right. And that happened all in the stairwell, right?
Yeah.
You came out then, got into your car, and then she came out and threw the grill onto the car?
Yeah.
Well, she's claiming that you strangled her. Hear me out. I don't see any physical injuries on her, right? I don't. And she admits to us that she snatched a blunt out of your mouth, right? Listen, you hear what I'm saying? But we have to take all of these things into consideration when we're talking about this. She snatched that blunt out of your hand first, and that sparked it off, right?
No, she grabbed my hair first.
She grabbed your hair first?
That's what sparked it off.
And then you pushed her off?
No, I walked out the door.
Walked out the door.
And then I was going down the steps. That's when she grabbed me by my hair. So
Okay. When did she snatch that blunt out of your mouth?
Upstairs in the house. So I was okay with that, sir. I promised to God.
Is that where you got the scrapes at?
No, the scrapes came from when she snatched me by my hair and I was trying to push her off her
And she got you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I promised.
Okay. My partner's going to go in there. She's going to be under arrest for domestic violence, okay? She is going to be sent to jail. And you are going to have to take your son for the time being, okay? When we do the proceedings for this, it's misdemeanor level domestic violence. She's going to get booked into the county. She's going to be arraigned on the charges. We are going to do some other things. Do you want to sign a charge on her? Do you want to go down and sign this charge? We are going to take her to the county. She's going to go in there. When she comes out, there is going to be a protection order issued, barring her from being around you or your son.
Hey, Autumn, you got any clothes to put on? You understand what's going on today, right?
Yeah.
So because you initiated physical contact by snatching the blunt out of his mouth, you initiated physical contact, which is a misdemeanor because it's domestic violence, because you do have a child in common. Okay? By your own admission of starting by snatching the blunt out of his mouth, you are the primary physical aggressor in this. And per the state of Ohio, we don't have a choice but to make an arrest. It's a preferred arrest. Domestic violence is a preferred arrest in the state of Ohio. We gotta go. Grab your shoes and grab your baby. Let's go downstairs.
I don't know where to take my baby.
Listen, I got paperwork to do. So we're gonna go downstairs to the cruiser. So grab your baby, grab some shoes.
I don't want him to have my son.
Okay.
Tell Chris is not gonna want to do nothing because he knows
Autumn,
I'm not talking to you, sir.
Autumn, listen to me. Before you go in handcuffs, we're gonna figure that out in a little bit. I said, put some shoes on, grab your son, and let's go downstairs. We're going to get to that right now. Put some shoes on, grab your shoes on, pick your son up. Let's go downstairs so I can start my paperwork.
He doesn't have nothing. He doesn't even have clothes on. Excuse me.
Autumn, this way. Where's your shoes at? Get right, put your slides on. Let's go. This is getting. I'm trying to be cool with you. This is.
Oh, now you are.
That one over the other one, up front. Hey, come over here. Put the bags down.
Well, I'm f***ing cool, and I can't even f***ing talk to him and tell him to drop him off at mommy's house. I just lost f***ing $350 today because this motherfucker went and get into it about nothing. I don't understand how taking the blunt out somebody's mouth and they're trying to light it in your face while you're trying to talk to them is aggressive, though. I don't understand that. Right, you went to go get your hair cut and all this. You're about to go to Florida, bro. I'm not stupid. You about to go to your wife. And you trying to get into it with me and get me put in jail so you don't have to hear from me. He does this all the time. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me and my son alone. That's not physically touching him, taking the blunt out of his mouth. That's what they're saying. I'm going to jail because I took the blunt out of his mouth. But is this even allowed to have weed is the question.
Autumn, you do understand that you're under arrest.
For what? For taking the blunt out of his mouth?
Domestic violence.
For taking the blunt out of his mouth. Open the cabinet. He's trying to be petty.
You gotta hang the phone up. You are under arrest. I don't want, listen, I don't want to sit here and have to put you in handcuffs with your son sitting next to you, okay? I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt here. So is Officer Cox. Officer Cox is giving you the benefit of the doubt and is allowing you to sit in the back of this cruiser without any handcuffs on and not being treated like a prisoner. But you are, okay? Hang on, buddy. Autumn, come on out.
What? I don't want you to have my son.
Hands in your child.
No, I can't. I really can't. As a f***ing mom, I can't. No. No. No.
Listen,
no.
Can you listen? I'm going to talk to you. I
No.
understand.
No.
Listen.
No.
By you not following, listen. This is the overarching thing here. By you not following us.
I'm sitting in the car. I came downstairs. Y'all told me to get dressed. What am I not following? You're not taking my baby. You're not. You're not. You're not. Can you ask him if he's going to, where he's going to go my son? No, he's not. Trust me, he's about to go see his wife. He get his hair cut and start with me every time. No. Ask him to drop my son off at my mom's house. Please, can you simply ask him to go?
No,
That's the only way I'm going to feel comfortable. No, for what?
Domestic
I'm not doing
violence.
anything. I get that going to the county. Ask him that.
That's where we're about to go.
Are you going to hurt my baby?
He is not going to hurt your baby.
Can you drop him off? Don't take him to Florida. Don't take my baby nowhere, please. Stay right here, please. Just say okay. They're going to come get my son. I'm going to be in jail for 2 days. You're going to have him for 2 days.
I will stand.
Right in front of my baby.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Because you wanted to be petty. All I wanted was a babysitter. You tried to walk away and leave me with my son once again.
She said something about one of her family members calling you or something like that. If they do. All right.